So if you remember, we talked about innovation as being an idea with its realization and implementation, and that is combining elements of desirability, viability, and feasibility. And we want to introduce 3 processes to you, namely design thinking, Scrum, and business model development, that actually dig into each of those elements and foster it in an agile way. Design thinking is an approach that enables you to explore human needs and problems and find solutions for them. Once you have a desirable solution, you can build on business model development and especially the business model canvas to assess whether this solution is viable and test potential business models. If you have a viable and desirable solution, Scrum helps you to realize your solution step by step. This way, you approach all aspects of the innovation together, and in addition, all of those approaches allow you to work at high speed, continuously testing and adapting in iterative loops. This is one core aspect of agile work. So before we look into each process more in detail, let's have a look at their common mindset and work modes.